It's been nearly a week since mask mandates were lifted in Ontario, but most clients at this salon are keeping them on.
Have a good day. They come in and they already have the mask on. They choose to keep it on, and that's okay with us.
As public health measures loosen, wastewater monitoring data suggests cases are rising in many places.
Certainly, if mandates are lifted, you expect to see more transmission.
Experts say the more transmissible variant of Omicron could also be to blame.
We expected to see an increase in the number of COVID cases simply because BA2 is here.
For some kids returning to school after spring break in BC, it's creating anxiety. Masks won't be required in class.
I feel that it's a bit too early.
Many experts say the question is no longer, are we headed for a spring wave, but rather, how severe is it going to be? Without widespread testing, one of the key metrics they'll be looking at is hospitalizations. Data shows on average the number of COVID patients in hospital in Canada declined last week. But on a provincial level, there's been a recent uptick in places like BC, Ontario, and Newfoundland.
We do have significant community level protection, but it's still unknown to what extent that's going to help us and to what extent subsequent waves are going to impact us.
In Quebec, hospitalizations are climbing outside of Montreal. But that's not the only concern.
A lot of healthcare workers have been exposed to the virus recently.
Back at the salon, the owners say they're continuing to encourage staff to keep masking.
For the most part, we're all wearing our masks, but I think it makes people a little bit more at ease.
At ease during a time when much uncertainty lies ahead. Farah Morali, CBC News, Toronto.